Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Lecturer of Reading for Professional Purpose, Mr. Rudy Haryono SSMPD. And here I want to explain about outclass language learning compared to presentation, practice, and production technique to teach speaking. To fulfill the midterm assessment for reading for professional purpose. So let's begin. The title is Outclass Language Learning Compared to Presentation, Practice, and Production Technique to Teach Speaking. Difficult words is elaborate, domains, inhibition, simultaneously, and the last traits. Next, explain some keywords. First, outclass language learning or OCLL is a strategy for learning language outside the classroom proposed as alternative for teaching speaking skills. Second, language learning. Language learning is in general, especially English. Third, practice. An important creativity in developing speaking skills also related to the triple P technique being compared. Fourth, speaking. Speaking is skills that are the focus of learning and teaching. Next, content. This article discussion the relationship between language teaching method, student creativity, and language learning outside the classroom. Student creativity plays a very important role in developing their speaking skill, determining their success in realizing their speaking abilities, and even influencing their quality of life. Key point. First, background of the problem. Students with individual learning characteristics may have difficulty learning unintentionally through communication with the target language group, which can have negative impact on team performance. Second, teaching procedure speaking with triple P. The teacher presents the context and new material. The going to grammar structure for the future. Students do control a practice before moving on to pre-practice. Talking about personal plans. Third, triple P method concept. First, presentation. Presenting new material with context for understanding. Second, practice. Practice. Control practice. Repeated reading, question and answer exercise, substitution drills. It a safe environment with minimal mistake. And last, production, pre-practice for real or simulated communication. Pros, safe learning environment, structure approach. Cons, students may learn material that they are not interested in not ready for new opportunities for real communication. Next, concept and characteristic of creativity. Creativity is not exclusive to genius and is supported by emotional intelligence. Characteristic of creativity desires to improve things, sensitive to new things, curiosity, deep thinking, concentration, willingness to experiment, patience, and ability to work together. Next, the OCLL concept, previous research shape identified several concepts of out-of-class language learning strategies and identified four types of language learning strategies. First, formal. Second, functional practice. Third, monitoring. And last, inference. Next, the characteristic of successful speaking activities. The fulfill are traits of successful speakers in speaking activities based on Penny 1996. First, learners talk a lot. Second, participation is even. Last, motivation is high. Next, factor affecting creativity. First, personal level. Age, intelligence, personality, disposition, capacity, and intrinsic motivation. Second, organizational or group level. Support for risk-taking, fair evaluation, reward, collaborative flow of ideas, and diversity of team members' backgrounds. Language learning outside the classroom identified as an effective method for teaching speaking skills. It offers benefits such as enjoyment, personal development, motivation, improved performance, and flexibility for teachers and students. Next, common problem in speaking. There are some problems that foreign language learners are used to facing when confronted with the activity of speaking as Penny 1996 as the following. First, inhibition. Second, nothing to say. Third, low or uniform. The last, participation. Next, type of speaking activities. Several activities parallel to speaking that are considered interactive and can be used by language learners in learning to speak English in class, as mentioned by Rogers et al. First, controlled activities. Second, guided activities. Third, creative. The last, communication. And next is conclusion. Out-of-class language learning is considered an effective method for teaching speaking skills. As part of a language learning strategies, this method provides excellent opportunity and benefit for students and teachers, including enjoyment, personal development, motivation, improve performance, and flexibility in the teaching and learning process. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.